Hello, my name is Ilona. I teach Russian language on italki. Today I'm going to talk about the useful Russian travel phrases. You can speak Russian language not only in Russia. Also, people in Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Ukraine or Kazakhstan will understand you. First place where you'll get a chance to speak in Russian is airport. Of course, people will understand you if you speak in English, but it's time to broaden your experience towards a new language. One of the useful phrases is «Где находится стойка регистрации?» Where is check-in desk? Где находится стойка регистрации? Another phrase. Я бы хотел место у окна. I'd like a window seat. Я бы хотел место у окна. If you can't find your seat, you should say Я не могу найти свое место. I can't find my seat. Я не могу найти свое место. Help me, please. Помогите мне, пожалуйста. Помогите мне, пожалуйста. And if you can't find your baggage, я не могу найти свой багаж. Я не могу найти свой багаж. I can't find my baggage. After a successful flight, you will go to the hotel, where you will need to know next phrases. I want a single room. Я хочу одноместный номер. I want a double room. Я хочу двухместный номер. Is breakfast included? Завтрак включен. Завтрак включен. If you want to see your room in advance, you can say «Можно посмотреть номер?» May I see the room? Можно посмотреть номер. You can find more phrases and words in my article if you click on the link in the description. Also, you can take classes with me on italki. Don't forget to subscribe to the italki channel for more videos about Russian language. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.